We're Hayley and Jake. This is Finnley, and this is our van that we'll be calling home for the next year. We've started our journey from Vancouver to Cancun. We're really excited to be making our first stop in Seattle, Washington. Good morning and welcome to Seattle. This is our first day in the city and we're going to start off by doing a walking tour.
187 Starbucks in the Seattle administrative area. In that same area, there are 1,000 coffee shops that are not Starbucks because no one who lives here will admit that we drink Starbucks coffee. Like, all of their stores are profitable, so we're absolutely lying to ourselves about that, but like, no one will admit it. This one is the second tallest one at 15 meters tall. So if you would like to read the actual newspaper story about how the fire progressed, you can Google it on the airplane. The bottom foot of this door ended up getting buried in the bottom like 30 centimeters or so. So it's a short little weird door with a weird low handle. If you're a giant or a tiny person, that's the best door in Seattle to get your photo taken in front of. If you go inside this tiny door, there are goblin bankers who will help you out.
Just finished the walking tour of Seattle Free Walking Tours. It was a blast and we learned a lot about the city. Now we're just going to go ahead to Pike Market and check out some coffee. Which one's this?
The salmon jerky.
We're at the gum wall. It's kind of gross. Doesn't smell though.
It's sweet.
Yeah, it's very sweet.
It's totally good. Take that.
Ooh, snacks. So the gum wall started because there's this theater right here, and one of the comedy workers came out and they stuck gum to the wall and stuck a penny on the wall, and then everyone waiting in line to get into the theater saw that and started doing the same thing, and then it caught on, and then we got this entire alleyway covered in gum. And then in 2015 the city tried to clean it and people said no, and then got back to sticking gum on the wall. And here's the gum wall. First ever Starbucks.
I'm not gonna lie.
Today we learned on our tour that Seattle is called the Emerald City. And it got that name because it used to be named the Queen City, but there was a lot of cities named like that, so they wanted to change it. They put it to a vote, and Emerald City won out because Seattle has a lot of evergreen trees, so it is nice and green throughout the entire year, and apparently that is why they call it the Emerald City.
Vanilla bean lobster.
You see a lot inside?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Good.
I didn't think you'd be allowed inside.
You're gonna get a text message when the order's ready.
Oh, I got the text message.
Oh, you did?
Bye, guys.
Thank you.
Is the coffee ready?
Oh yeah, we'll send you a CV order. That's cool.
Excellent choice. Hayley, our vanilla bean latte is one of my favorites. Let me prepare it right away.
This is
In the
cool.
meantime, you can find more details in the Ugly Coffee app.
That's cool.
It's their latte art. What? Oh my goodness.
That is impressive.
Do you want this?
Sure.
Yes, please.
Thank you. That is cool. Can they leave it? That's neat.
Hayley, your vanilla bean latte is ready. It was my pleasure to serve you today.
Thank you.
Cool.
So the original Starbucks line was way too long.
But we were walking down the street and we saw a robot making coffee, so we went in. And at this Artly barista bot, there's an AI robot that'll just like make your coffee, and it makes latte art and pours it for you, tells you when you're ready, and projects how your coffee's doing on the bar, so it shows your status of your coffee. That was super cool.
Cheers.
That's good coffee. I've never had coffee made by a robot before, unless you count my dad.
Wait, so Amazon Go, apparently you can just go in, take it off the shelf, and then walk out the store, and then it's hooked up to your Amazon account, and you bought it. So let's go try it out. I got you a snack.
Oh, nice. That's cool. This one's more like a cafeteria style than the grocery store style we saw online.
Here, baby, gentle, baby.
He's been excited.
Nah, baby.
How does this stand work?
Oh, just free bananas, baby. Oh,
Wanna grab the
doggy, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Here,
That doggy's a little excited.
Thank you. Thank you.
Community bananas. There you go. Getting all the snacks today.
Thank you. No bananas.
Ooh, windy. We're back at the van. We're all done exploring Seattle. We had a lot of fun exploring. It's such a beautiful city.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.